Hi, Chloe here. Today I will be discussing a few of the benefits in eating lettuce or litsugas in Tagalog.
Eating raw lettuce can offer several nutritional benefits due to its low calorie content, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Here are 10 potential benefits of including raw lettuce in your diet. 1. Low in calories. Raw lettuce is extremely low in calories, making it a great choice for those looking to manage their weight or reduce calorie intake. 2. Hydration lettuce has a high water content, which helps contribute to your daily hydration needs. 3. Dietary fiber. Lettuce contains dietary fiber, which can aid digestion, promote regular bowel movements, and support gut health. 4. Vitamins and minerals. Lettuce is a good source of vitamins like vitamin A, which is essential for vision and immune health, as well as vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. 5. Antioxidants. Lettuce contains antioxidants including beta, carotene, and vitamin C, which help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. 6. Low glycemic index. Lettuce has a low glycemic index, which means it won't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. 7. Digestive aid. The water and fiber content in lettuce can help promote healthy digestion and alleviate issues like constipation. 8. Support skin health. The vitamin A and antioxidants in lettuce contribute to skin health by promoting cell regeneration and protecting against damage from environmental factors. 9. Bone health. Lettuce provides vitamin K, which plays a role in bone health by aiding in calcium absorption and supporting bone mineralization. 10. Weight management. Due to its low calorie and high water content, lettuce can be a satisfying addition to meals without significantly adding to overall calorie intake. It's important to note that while raw lettuce offers these benefits, a well-rounded diet should include a variety of vegetables and other foods to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Additionally, be mindful of food safety and wash lettuce thoroughly before consuming it raw to reduce the risk of contamination. Hope you learned a lot from the video. Good health and happy eating. Bye.